Hello, welcome back to Eagles Tech channel. My name is Samuel. So I'll be sharing with us about a bot I found some while ago, and I've been using it and it makes sense. So I just decided to share it with us. So I have three settings based on the test I've done. So I'll be sharing with us one of those settings in this video. Okay. So and the name of the bot is actually Binolla. So what you do is you log in. At the moment there's an app for that and also has a web version. So what I do basically is I split my screen so that I can monitor the chat and as well as the bot. And because I want to trade an asset that is actually trending, that is moving a lot, and the YS index do that a lot. So but basically you are looking for when market is trending, not when market is changing. Okay, so I'll just go straight to the settings of the bot. So I'll be using it should be in advanced strategy. So you have to first log in on the top right corner. So you will log into your Deriv account. So don't worry, they don't store any of your information or anything like that. So it will redirect you to the Deriv, then you connect your account. So it will put you on demo automatically, but then I'll show us how to change that. So you select rise and fall. You can try any other settings by yourself. So I'll use rise and fall. Then my initial stake is usually at 0.35. Now if you look at trading budget, trading budget refers to how much you are willing to risk. It means you could have $100 and set your trading budget to be 10, and the bot will not use more than 10. Even if he loses, you will not lose more than 10. It means how much you are willing to risk. Okay, so squid refers to, there are three options in the advanced strategy, but I like to use squid. Squid means it changes directions. So for example, and then I will explain more as we go further. Now maximum stake is the highest amount of value you want. You don't want it to go beyond. Then target profits, I believe you know what that is. Then under retain profit, you can either retain your profit or reinvest. Retain profit means it keeps the profit, while reinvest will mean that what? Each time it makes profit, it adds it to your trading budget and then increase your initial stake. Now pre-squid wins means that when you win, it's a switch direction. Squid just means to change directions, but I don't actually use pre-squid win. So sometimes I use pre-squid losses. I use 3, but most times I use 2. 2 has proven to work a lot of times. But I think in this video, I just want to try out 3. Then you apply martingale. Then use martingale pre-loss, which is 1. Then you will use a virtual pass. Virtual pass actually means it will switch your account to a demo account. So first of all, you have to select the accounts where you have money. I'm sure you know Deriv has different CR. You have Litecoin, you have the accounts you open. So you select the one where you have money, then you apply virtual win, and I set my win count to 2. Sorry, that would be 1 rather. I set my virtual win to 1. Now virtual will mean that each time you have a win, it will switch to a demo account and execute a trade. So when you win on a demo account, it will switch back to your live account. So basically what it does is it reduces losses. And then the contract duration is 1. Then you set your maximum loss, set it to 4. In case you have 4 consecutive losses, then you reevaluate, or you switch to another asset, and then or you wait for a trending market before you continue trading again. So I will switch the account to the CR. You can see I executed it without changing it. So when you're applying virtual win, you actually see pass. Are you with me? So in this case, I'm using an initial stake of 0.7 and my budget is 20. Normally I do it with $10 because I have $20 in my account. I'm multiplying it by 2. So if I'm using $10, I use 0.35 and I use my trading budget as 10, which is the whole account balance. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So I'll just fast forward and speed it up. So you can slow it down if you want to see how it actually does. You can see the market is actually trending. If you are looking at the left hand side, you see that it's actually increasing. So trades will be placed on the demo account, then to switch back to the live account to place it. Just look at the balance, you see that the balance is actually increasing. And why it's not showing on the chart is because the chart is showing on VIX 50 while I'm trading on VIX 10. Okay, so that's why. So let's see how it plays out. So I'll just fast forward it and not to waste our time. So look at it. You see that we have 4 wins. You have 1 loss. So let's see how it does. Then keeps now back to live account. So just want to trade on live account. So it switched back to a demo account. So to place a trade again on demo account, you see that demo was a loss. Then it will keep repeating the demo account until there's a win on the demo account before you now switch to your real account to place the trade. I hope you get that. So and this one now you have a loss. Then to do a martingale. Same now back to the demo account. And then shape back to live account. It doesn't actually matter how many wins or loss, because since you are using martingale, as long as you don't lose 4 consecutive trades, you should actually be safe. Your capital should be safe. But in case that happens, you look for another asset, you evaluate, and then place the trade again. You reset it, then you restart it. My target is just $10. I do that one once in a while where I just target $10, then the next day $10, or maybe after some time I come back and take another $10. So you can try out this bot, and in case you don't have a Deriv account, you can just check my link in the description below and just open an account. And you can start with as low as $5 with this. So I will just make sure you look at the settings very well and pay attention to everything. And I will advise you to watch the video over again. So now we have $10 profit, so the bot will automatically stop itself after target profit. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.